From the classroom to the boardroom. Big ideas are brewing in the minds of K College seniors in business and economics. Through an unprecedented partnership with Greenleaf Hospitality Group, these students will become team leads and associates whose contributions will play an integral role in developing the incoming Kalamazoo Event Center.
Getting these together, talking about a potential project, thinking about what it might be, cultivating a relationship between Greenleaf Hospitality Group and K College.
Learning from Greenleaf's Vice President of Marketing and Technology, Sarah Olszewski, and Kalamazoo College's own Amy McMillan and Tim Moffitt.
Since meeting Amy, she's delightful.
These students are just beginning the process of bringing this work to life.
Empower each other to ignite a story.
They know how to ask important questions. Empower each other through collaboration. And take on an experiential learning journey unlike any other in K College's past.
Okay, so we'll have more than 50.
One last question.
One last question. Jack, let's give you an A.
From the classroom to the boardroom to the construction site of the future Kalamazoo Event Center, K students are ready to rise to the challenge. I'm welcoming you to the InKubator.